My name is Alex Woodbury with the Sewing Workshop. I'm going to teach you to sew with scuba fabric using the Chateau Coat pattern. The Chateau Coat is a loose-fitting jacket with front slit pockets and dolman sleeves. It's the perfect pattern to use with scuba knit. It's constructed here in a scuba fabric using an overlapping seam technique with triple stitching. It has front slit pockets that have also been used for triple stitching. There's also an opportunity for added hand embroidery using variegated thread for an elevated look. I love adding embroidery to my garments, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. Here's what you're going to learn in the class. How to work with scuba fabric. The best Sulky needles and threads to use for this project. How to achieve overlapping seams for garment construction. How to sew front slit pockets. How to decorate an optional patch pocket, and how to enhance your garment using hand embroidery techniques.